This is the practice test for algebra, and here we're working on number 4, and the problem says, is 5 a solution to the equation 2x squared plus 10 equals 60? So what I need to do is substitute the value of 5 for the x into the equation and see if that 5 solves this equation. So here is my equation, and I'm going to substitute the 5 for the x right here. That's what I've done. I've just substituted 5 for the x here. And the first thing I need to do is calculate this exponent right here. And 5 to the exponent 2 is going to be 5 times 5, which is 25. And so now what I want to do is substitute the 25 for this part of the equation, and I have to remember this is 2 times the 25 plus 10 equals 60. And then I do my multiplication. 2 times 25 is 50 plus 10. That's going to give me 60, and I can see that this is a solution to this problem, and my answer is yes. 5 is a solution to the problem. And we can go on here to number 5 as well. And the question is 3 a solution to the equation 6x minus 7 equals 12? So I'm going to do the same thing, substitute the value of x equal to 3 into the equation, see if it solves the equation. So here is my equation, and I'm going to substitute 3 here for the x, and 6 times x is now 6 times 3, and when I multiply I get 18 minus 7 equals 12, and 18 minus 7 is 11, so I can see that 3 is not a solution to this equation. My answer is no.